great overall experience, it was very well organized and the food was good. Definitely worth the money as the offer works out better. The burger meal alone costs about £20, and here you're getting a dessert and drink for just over that price, which is really good. Nice environment, staff are super friendly, the burger and ribs are delicious, price is not cheap though. Good environment, friendly staff, food is yummy, price is not cheap though. Immerse yourself in the heart of London's iconic music scene at the Hard Rock Cafe in Piccadilly Circus. Adorned with priceless rock and roll memorabilia celebrating legends like Queen, Led Zeppelin, and the Rolling Stones, this venue pays homage to the city's rich musical heritage. Indulge in the quintessential American experience with the original legendary burger, a Black Angus steak burger topped with smoked bacon, cheddar cheese, crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and a crunchy onion ring. Your meal is complete with a refreshing soft drink, making it a perfect fusion of British rock history and American culinary delight. Enjoy the flavors as you soak in the vibrant energy of London's musical legacy.